Umasipala waseKurhuleni uthi usebenza ngokuyikhandla ukulungisa uhlelo lokuqoqwa kwemfucuza. Ukungaqoqwa kwemfucuza kukhathaza kakhulu izakhamuzi ezikhala ngokuthi ukungaqoqwa kwawo kuzobanga izifo.
Imfucuza obesekuphele amasonto iduvile sekuqalile ukuthuthwa kwayo njengoba amaloli odoti esebonakala emalokishini amaningi aseKurhuleni.
Ngani yami, I feel terrible, very painful, because if I take you back, this country we're not like this.
I can say they're trying, but then again it seems like it's getting worse. So I don't know what's causing that. Is it too little manpower or?
Ngesonto ledlule izakhamuzi zasethembisa zivuke umbhejazane zikhala ngodoti ogcwele imigwaqo zifuna kuxoshwe obe yimeya.
One of the major issues we had was with 8 of our mini dump sites. One of the contractors on site wasn't performing their duties, and subsequently we pulled in our legal department and we're in the process of cancelling the contract, but we have capacitated our own staff and equipment to make sure that we've cleared those sites. Those sites really help with the transfer of waste to other areas.
Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uthi kucacile ukuthi ukubusa ngokubambisana akusebenzi.
It seems that this system is not working as well as we expected it to, but it could very well be also that the ANC will be the beneficiary out of this, because next time people vote, they will think about the instability that they are seeing and the going down of service delivery that they are seeing.